Guess the Jamaican terms. Who am I joined with?
Cavett.
Cavett. What's your ethnicity?
I am Jamaican.
Jamaican. Which part?
Portland.
Portland. Very local. Neighbor. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you two Jamaican terms. More you for tell the camera what it is, but in English. You can do that? Yeah?
Yes.
Alright. The first one is cranny slash scrawny.
Well, crony mean disgusting, dirty, and scrawny mean you're too mager or too slim. You didn't eat enough food.
Frownsy.
Well, frownsy mean you need to go bed or take a bath because you're dirty. You make up your face because it stink.
That is right.
People can't speak
Yeah.
patois, frowsy.
People what?
Can't speak patois, say frowsy. But it's frowsy, them stink and dirty. I need to take a bath. I can say certificates. Miss or cement. I go to school. But I'm Jamaican. I'm known to be versatile. I can be very versatile.